Got asthma? Yes. Since when you got asthma? Huh?
3 or 4 years ago.
Okay. So how do you manage this?
Wearing inhaler.
Every morning inhaler and every
Night.
evening inhaler. Hmm? How long are you going to do this?
I don't know until I can get rid of it.
How are you going to get rid of it?
I
What are you doing to get rid of it?
do meditation at home.
Huh?
I do meditation at home.
Meditation.
Medication.
Medication.
Meditation.
Meditation. That. Why is the better than joy is that? What kind of meditation do you do?
Normal meditation.
Huh?
Normal meditation.
What is normal meditation? I don't know what's
Just
meditation.
sit down.
Sit down and then?
Close your eyes.
And then?
Don't think of anything.
That's all.
Yeah.
And you go to happen. Think of your asthma. Asthma, please go away. Please go away. Please go away. That will happen. You close your eyes, something will happen. Okay. And you close your eyes, say to the universe, come and heal my asthma, please. To all the angels, come. At least something will happen. You close your eyes, it's going to happen. Eh? What is this? What is that? Yeah? That. So now for asthma, it's a simple thing called, try to breathe in and breathe out. How do you feel? Hard. Okay, so we're going to have this right now. Huh? Very simple. Solar plexus, throat chakra. Nose, cheek, mouth. Now think called lower throat chakra. Chakras will come like that. Wait la. I'm going to heal you. Throat chakra and lower throat chakra and then heart chakra. There's another chakra in between. That's when the trachea will come and break it too. That part. Okay, take the wand now. It's a healing wand.
Thing one.
Become as powerful as required
Become as powerful as required
to heal my
to heal my
lower throat chakra.
lower throat chakra.
Put it. No. That is not. Tarun, do for you. Wait, Tarun, do for you. Come, you do for you. You do for you, say. No, you do for you. Stand there. Look in front. What's your name again, boy? Pranav. Healing wand.
Healing wand.
Become as powerful as required
Become as powerful as
to
required.
heal. Wait. Let me tell you what's happening. Huh? There's an energy block in his lower throat chakra. Serious block. I'm going to go 100,000, millions, billions, trillions. I'm going to say 100, 200, 300, 400, 500,000 trillion. There's an energy blocking his lower throat chakra. That's why he's on inhaler morning and evening. The inhaler goes inside, the chemical that will help you to dilate all the bronchus and allow the air to go inside. Otherwise, it close himself. So do the morning, every day you do it.
Yeah,
How long have you been doing this?
but for a long time, but in the middle, I kind of stopped after my surgery.
What surgery you do?
Adenoids and tonsils.
Huh?
Adenoids and tonsils.
Adenoids. What's the adenoid?
It's this part of your body or deep into your nose which blocks like pollen and other stuff chemicals into going into your chest.
Okay, and then better.
Yeah,
Okay, better after that.
kind of that.
Then kind of. That means how? What is kind of?
Like I started breathing through my nose because I used to breathe through my mouth.
So you from nose now. Okay, but still you have this. You still take the puff.
Yeah,
Before and after you still take the puff.
yeah.
Okay, but the puff never went away. You still take the puff. So operation never help you. Just help you to go through the way open up. Huh? Okay, fine. Okay. Now take the wand, sir. It's a healing wand.
Healing wand.
Become as powerful as required
Become as powerful as
to heal
required.
pranams,
To heal pranams.
lower throat chakra.
Lower throat chakra.
He's struggling to breathe. Feel the breathing. Huh? So his healing is coming nearer. So what's happening is, as the energy goes down, it's getting nearer and nearer. There's a theory behind. As he heals, all the block is going out, is going nearer and nearer. Sorry, trillion times, going nearer and nearer. Huh? Let it go near. Usually take another 2 minutes. So it doesn't matter how much it is. It's still the 2 minutes. You don't know how to do this. Just take the wand and say healing wand. For asthmatic people, say healing wand. Become as powerful as going to heal so and so's lower throat chakra. So going nearer and nearer. Huh? Okay, a little bit more. Even these little things a lot. Because I'm talking about trillions. Nearer and nearer. So now the healing one.
Healing wand.
Become as powerful as required
become as powerful as
to condition
to condition
pranavs,
pranavs,
lower throat chakra.
lower throat chakra.
3 cycles, huh? 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How you feel, my friend?
Kind of better.
Yeah, kind of better, huh? Kind of gone away, kind of better now, huh? All kind of, huh? What is kind of? Only American police is kind of. Huh? We don't use the word in Malaysia. Gone, fine. Kind of. If it's still something that, hey, be an idiot. How much you have now? What number? From 10 just now, how much number now? 9? What are 9 remaining?
9 remaining.
Hey, that's kind of, huh? Hey, see, like you came with 10. So now you're breathing, you find relief.
Yeah, a little bit over here.
Where? That's a different place.
Yeah.
Where's the place now?
Over.
Huh? Over.
Over here.
So now, take the wand, sir. Healing wand.
Healing one,
Become as powerful as required.
become as powerful
To heal,
to heal
pranavs,
pranavs,
diaphragm.
diaphragm.
Oh, take 1, 2, 3, 4. What do you have for lunch?
Something. Something.
What do you put inside this?
Avocado, mayonnaise, chipotle, like American chipotle sauce.
What's that? Spicy sauce. Huh?
Not that spicy.
Other kind of.
Yeah.
All kind of, huh?
Cucumber,
Okay.
lettuce.
You don't like sambar rice here. I don't like sambar rice. I'm healing his stomach now. I felt some in his stomach, healing, huh? So now he's healing your diaphragm. You know what's a diaphragm now? It's a kind of muscle that goes up and down. That's what he's healing. If that's blocked. Yeah, your diaphragm is stuck. Your diaphragm is stuck. That's all. The diaphragm is the problem. So heal your diaphragm, and you must heal your diaphragm, and you must heal your lower throat chakra. You understand? Go back to Google and Google diaphragm. There's a diaphragm here that goes up and down. And push up and down. So when that has to, even when hiccup, this thing is like something wrong with the spasm, and you have hiccup. Okay? You must heal your lower throat chakra and your diaphragm. Now inhale and see how now.
Way easier.
Very easier now, kind of now. Way easier. Hey, number good, give me a number.
Like 2 out of 10.
Like, what is like again?
2 out of 10.
2 out of 10 now. Wow, it's now 2 now. Come on, sir. Here is diaphragm. You see now, sometimes you do a few things. It's not only the throat, but also the diaphragm. Then you have got good lungs. A lot of things you have to do. You go back home today, you heal your lower throat chakra and heal your diaphragm. Go and Google a little bit. What's the diaphragm? It's like something that moves up and down. When that is choked, it cannot push out. It's like doing too much of work.
It's like this part's like probably good. It's like everything else is better.
Right, there, this part now. So now, give throat chakra, sir. Healing one.
Healing one,
Become as powerful as required.
become as
To
powerful
heal
as
pranavs,
to heal pranavs,
throat chakra.
throat chakra.
Rotate. What number give me now?
Same.
2.
Yeah. 3, 2. Like 3. Like still 3.
Why you guys wear the glasses then? You're long or short sighted?
Me, I can't see long.
Can you read all of these words?
The divine cord represents
Can you read? You wear glasses?
the divine cord.
You can read what and why?
What?
You can read, isn't it?
Yeah, but I can't be far away from.
How far away is that? Can you read all of the things?
No, I can't.
Nothing.
No, I can't.
Cannot even the top one. Like no?
No.
Wow, very serious, huh? I will help you. I'll try to help you, huh? I see what I can do, huh? When you're okay, ask Uncle to stop, huh? When you're okay?
It reduced a lot. It's like
Very good. Now the young man is really reacting to whatever going to happen to him. Say, wow, it is a lot. I'm fine. I'm good. Very nice. How much number now?
it's like 1 out of 10 now.
Huh?
1 out of 10.
1 out of 10. Very nice. While he's doing now, you got the glasses? Where are the glasses?
See it.
Eh?
Yeah, I can read those.
Wow!
What? How can I read those?
That's why you're reading now, lah. How can you read now?
Yeah, I can read those.
Very good. Fantastic. Just holds only. Holds.
Oh.
Nothing else.
How can I read that?
Do it again. Read everything.
We are
Just
buddies.
holds.
We are buddies.
Your body.
Yeah, then I can't read those other
Slowly. Yeah. Don't slowly. That one's quite small.
First one, the top one.
Yes.
We are buddies.
Slowly look. Look. It's very difficult. The writings are not so correct. They're not so correct. Writings are very funny. They're not. Is the other one? Good. Just holds only, my friend. How are you breathing now?
Still like 1 out of 10.
Where's the 1 out of 10?
What?
Where's the 1 out of 10?
6.
Say now. Sir, condition,
Condition,
healing one,
healing one,
become as powerful as quiet.
become as powerful as
Condition,
condition,
pronounce,
pronounce,
throat chakra.
throat chakra.
Go. Very fast you could see, you know. So all pinhole technology, you start wearing this, your power will not go up. Maybe at one point in time you will not remove any, you will not use any glasses. Oh. Point will come where you will not use the glasses anymore.
How does this
Helps you. It's just pinhole. Yes, pinhole. Yes, madam, you can read, and also see far. Both, you can even read and see far, both at the same time, with the same glasses. What do you have? Long or short?
I have long.
Short, no. Who's got long and short? Come. Come, madam. Quickly, girl. No time. 8, madam. What? Don't read the what?
I can't read your mouth there.
Wait, slowly.
I can't read your
Sir, heal the lungs. Right lung and left lung. Take out glasses, madam. What can you see all of these things? Even the big word there? Huh? No, the big one there. Cannot see. Oh, where are the glasses? Madam, 8, madam. Look and concentrate. There are lots and lots of holes. Find the right hole. There are many holes there. Slowly move your eyes and you find the right hole. The guy saw it immediately. Slowly go inside. There are lots of holes. Move the eyes and find the right one to read. Many holes there. Can you see them? Slowly. Move your eyes. Up and down. Move your eyes up and down. Move the head up. See the eyes. Slowly. Slowly focus. Lots and lots of holes. The theory is our eyes have been seeing only one spot. So the spot gets burnt out. Okay? So now the other part, the retina is like that. So you've been falling on one side for such a long time. Now you go up and see like super clear. Even people with normal eyesight can suddenly see super clear. Even normal eyes. Can you see better? Find the right position and that's it. And then you start reading from that point. You must find the right position. That's when the eyes see the image is falling and money is part of retina. Sometimes you're all burnt out. You find, see, it's like I've used so much of the lens that the lines get burnt. So now you want to find the right place. That's all. Now look at the other one, madam. The top one. Slowly read. What do you read? Slowly, madam. Don't say I can't read. Look. Focus and slowly find. Teacher. Read this one. Hold it. Read. Show this one. How are you, my friend?
Look, I can't get large amount of air.
Yeah, where? Let's all help him. Take the wands, please. Healing one. Become as powerful as you go. This side, you're going to heal Pranav, right lung. This side, you're going to heal Pranav, left lung. Healing one. Become as powerful as required. You heal Pranav, left lung, right lung, left lung. Okay, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop. 1, 2. Put off. Start breathing in now. Take large amount of air inside now. How do you feel? Way better. Way better. Kind of better or way better? Wow, better than kind of. How much now? Tell me. You heal every day. You must heal your throat chakra, lower throat chakra, and your diaphragm. Diaphragm very good. Then heal the lungs. How many lungs you have here? No. How many portion of lungs here? Yes. 1 lung, 2 lung, 3 lung. 1 lung, 2 lung. Why 3 and why 2? Because the heart takes up space here. This lung is smaller than the other lung. Must learn. Very important because you have a breathing problem. Go and study and find out about your lung. Upper lung, middle lung, lower lung. Upper lung, lower lung. The heart takes that point. This lung is smaller than this lung. So heal upper lung, middle lung, and lower lung. Okay, upper lung. And no more ice water. Especially when you live in a country like US, your temperature is going to be very, very cold. What's the body temperature? Degree C.
Celsius,
97 Fahrenheit.
C. All over the world is C. You live in America, they are C only.
46.
You're not going to get Fahrenheit. You know that? You go to the plane, they put C, they don't put Fahrenheit. That's how the world is following.
it's still like
Only America and British following the C, F.
it's still to the origin.
Wait lah. Okay? So now, your temperature of the body is 36.8 degrees C. 36.8 degrees C. That's the temperature of the body. Okay, now, when you go out, what's the temperature?
Outside,
Yes.
I don't know.
It will be about 18 degrees C or 60 degrees C. Now, the air is going to the nose. What temperature of the nose? Air going inside is 60 degrees C. So now the air is going inside, going to go to the whole system, go to the lung, and you got cold air. So the body must heat it up. From today onwards, no more drinking cold water. Drink warm water. Eat food that are warm. So it helps you to keep yourself warm. Okay? And wear something to cover your lungs so that it keeps it warm. Okay? Understand? Don't go swimming out during winter. Go swimming during summer. Hot summer. Okay? Right. Fine, 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 fine. Your diaphragm is still in. Okay, now I'm going to heal the stomach. Your stomach is still very acidic. When you eat, make sure you don't put all of this sauce and all kind of stuff. Spicy sauce. Okay? And this is 1, 2, 3, 4. Madam, how are you doing, madam? I forgot about you, madam. Look at that, madam. Welcome back. Can you see the welcome back? Go further there and see. Go far away, go far away. See whether you can see that. Go and roll, madam. No, that's a bit difficult, madam. A lot of the way they write is not the proper form. Okay? Can you see that, madam? No. Take out the glasses. Can you see them with the glasses? No. See, it helps you, madam. It's just getting used. Once you get used to it, it's very easy. This helps you so the glasses doesn't become thicker and thicker and thicker. That's how it works. It's a pinhole technology. Just hold. Pinhole can use for short and long sightedness. Both. Okay, madam, how you feel now?
It's over here still.
Yeah, you stop eating all of this. You want the things fine, but don't put all this, spicy sauces or the mustard sauce or don't put.
Spicy because I can't have
What problem you have? Really?
what?
What spicy food you cannot eat?
Like normal spicy food, like sometimes I can't eat.
You have salsa there. You want to try salsa?
I need to
You want to try salsa? Come, let's try, huh? Finish? Let's finish this first before you go to the next now. Way better or what? Way better. No, it's good. Okay, you got a lot of work to do. Heal the stomach. Stop eating all of these. Put all this mayonnaise and all this. They can be very acidic for you. Heal your diaphragm. Heal your lower throat chakra, and all the lung. 1 lung, 2 lung, 3 lung. You start doing it, my friend. You will stop inhaler. The inhaler are chemicals that go to your lung and go to your blood system. Long term is not good for you. Long term is not good. You're a very young boy. Okay? Thank you. Say thank you lah. Want to try salsa? Come. Madam, you also come. Where Madam Leela? Where's Madam Leela? No, the other lady. Gayatri, come madam. Madam Gayatri, right? Huh? She's got a very interesting story to share. You guys remember this young man?
Yes.
Hey, hello.
Yeah.
How are you?
Good.
How is the breathing?
Better. Like really good.
Better or really good? Come on. Which is it now?
Good.
Yes, it's now 24 hours. He was here last night. Remember last evening he was here? He had lots of problems. We had to heal his diaphragm, heal his stomach. What else we heal? Solar plexus, heal the nose, heal everything. And now he's fine. Okay? Now did you heal this morning?
So this morning?
Did you heal this morning?
No.
Why you don't heal this morning? How is it going to become better? You must start healing, my friend. Huh? Every morning you puff, isn't it? Which is easier? Puffing easier or healing easier?
Puff.
Puff, then go puff. If you think your puff is easier, you start puffing. I have no problem. Very simple, my friend. You have a choice. You have a puffing chemical that you have been doing 2 times a day. Did you puff this morning?
No.
Good. Did you puff this morning? Did you puff last night?
Yeah.
Why?
I don't know.
It's habitual, huh? Puff, puff. That's you just puff. That's all. Huh? You start changing, my friend. You're a young boy. How long you want to start puffing? For the rest of your life?
No.
Exactly. Why you puff? I don't understand. Did you feel suffocated that you went and puff? Did you feel suffocated last night?
Yeah. No, I didn't feel suffocated.
Then why you going to puff?
I don't know, because the doctor told me to.
Hey. Young man, how old are you?
11?
11. You want to puff for next 20 years?
No.
Start deciding what for yourself, huh? Start healing yourself. If you don't heal yourself, I teach you how to heal yesterday, right? Why don't you heal? Where are the parents? Start healing this boy, sir.
We did healing yesterday night. Today morning, we didn't find the time, so we were.
Why didn't I find time, sir?
We were.
You have time for breakfast?
We came here. That's
Time for breakfast? Come on, sir. It's not half an hour healing, sir. Just 3 minutes. We can't find 3 minutes for your son, madam. Then buy the puff and give him. Okay, madam? It's very simple, madam. Puff it. Puffing is a chemical, madam. That puff will go into your lungs. And the chemical will go into your blood system. Yes or not, sir? Yes or not? Go and find us, sir. Go on Google. You got Mr. Google in America. Google what are the side effects of all of these things. They will tell you exactly what happened. The puff is going to go into your body. It's going to blood system. It's going to go to your heart. Long term, it's going to affect him. So he's a young boy. How many years he's been puffing?
Almost puffing like a couple of months, but he used to take nebulizer for a couple of years. Almost.
Yes, sir. We healed a boy. Start healing him.
Sure.
Understand?
Yeah, sure, sir.
Not sure, sir. Start doing. And at one point of time, he will become so good, he doesn't have to do any one of these things anymore. It's a process, or it's a healing process. Oh, my friend?
Yeah, I will heal myself every day.
Huh?
I will heal myself every
It's up to you, my friend. You want to follow Dr. Say, you go and puff. It's up to you. I cannot say no. It's your wish. Telling you, stop puffing. You came yesterday, you did the puff, you're much finer. Even now, you think you're finer. Okay? So you decide what to do, madam. Huh? As parents, you all decide what your son must be in another 20 years from now. Okay? Thank you very much.